What's up everybody, it's Roger at the Thompson Atomic Ranch, and today I've got my two boys out here. I got Henry and Walter. Henry's the oldest, he's 11, and Walter is 9. And they are helping me to get level 1 pressure washed and vacuumed, so we're getting all the water out, as well as, you know, the rust and paint and debris and that sort of thing. We've already pressure washed it once. We recently grinded all the floors to make the floors get, well, there was a lot of rust, so we got all the rust off of there. So now they're nice and smooth, and next it'll be paint. So let's go on up. So I got my boys here. We got Henry. This is Henry, and this is Walter right there. So they're getting messy. If you can see Walter's face here, he looks great. He's getting some grime. Henry's getting some grime too. So Henry's been busy with the wet dry vac. He's vacuuming up any of the pressure washing water, and there's you know, a little bit of rust on there. I'm gonna check and see how full it is. We gotta empty it out every once in a while, so not bad. We'll empty it out in a few minutes. Looking good, boys.
Yep.
Well done.
Thanks.
Titan 2. Woo-hoo. What have we been up to?
We've been pressure washing, vacuuming, cleaning the level 1.
Yeah, we got it all pressure washed up here, and most of it vacuumed up, so there's not too much moisture in here. We got the bathroom all cleaned up. Fresh coat of paint is going to do wonders in here, I think.
Yeah.
It's going to be pretty cool. Which room up here is your guys' favorite?
I like the kitchen.
You like the kitchen the best over here? Good job, boys.